Hello. So in this video, we have a question where we need to find which is larger, 50 raised to power 50 or 49 raised to power 51. Okay. So here, as we can see, whenever we need to compare two things, suppose I want to compare A and B, which one is larger, A or B? What do you need to do in these types of cases? You need to find A by B. Okay, divide A by B. If you get something greater than 1, then you will say A is greater than B. But if you get A by B is less than 1, then you will say A is less than B. This thing. Okay. So now in our question we have 50 raised to power 50 and 49 raised to power 51. What we will do, we will try to find 50 raised to power 50 by 49 raised to power 51, right? We will somehow break this. We know this exponent formula that a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m, a raised to power n, right? So 50 raised to power 50 divided by 49 raised to power, we can write it as 50 plus 1, right? This will become 50 raised to power 50 by 49 raised to power 50 times 49, right? This can be written as 50 by 49 raised to power 50 times 1 by 49, right? Now I have in this question I have got two terms, first term, second term. Suppose I say this is first term, this is second term, and what is left hand side? Left hand side is this, right? Okay. Now I will solve first term. Okay. What is first term? Now tell me. 50 by 49 raised to power 50. Okay. Can I write it as 49 plus 1 by 49 raised to power 50. Why? Because numerator is 50 and 50 can be written as 49 plus 1, which is eventually can be written as 1 plus 1 by 49 raised to power 50, right? And this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 49 raised to power 49 plus 1. Instead of writing plus 1 here, what will I do? I will write 1 plus 1 by 49 like this. Okay, the power 1. Because this will become this 50 only when we add the power, right? So, now I am going to tell you something that 1 plus 1 by n raised to power n, limit n tending to infinity. This term is actually less than 3 and greater than 2. This term is nothing but E. E is what? 2.718. But we know this thing that E 2.7 lies between 2 and 3. So this term, whatever we are getting here, this is actually greater than 2, right? And now 1 plus 1 by 49. 1 plus something is greater than 1. 2 times 1. So whatever, so this term, whatever we have, first term 50 by 49 raised to power 50, this term is actually greater than 2, right? So now I will substitute the value again in this equation number 1. Okay, I will write left hand side 50 by 49 raised to power, left hand side was this 50 raised to power 50 by 49 raised to power 51, and right hand side was 50 by 49 raised to power 50 times 1 by 49, right? Now this term is greater than 2, so we got this is greater than 2 times 1 by 49, right? and approximately this is equal to 2.718 because this term is E, right? So now we have, what was our left hand side? Left hand side was this 49 raised to power 51, right? And what was our right hand side? Right hand side is approximately, this is 2.718 multiply 1 by 49, because first term, this was our first term, this thing, we eventually got that this is equal to E, approximately equal to E. E times, and this is our second term, 1 by 49. Okay. So 2.718 divided by 49. This will be somewhere 0.5 something, right? So that means whatever we have is less than 1, because if it is somewhere equal to 0.55 something here, that means this is less than 1. And when a by b is less than 1, you can say a is less than b. That means in our question here, 50 raised to power 50 is less than 49 raised to power 51. So this is our answer. I hope you understood this. For more such videos, you can visit my channel and you will get many Maths Olympiad questions, short tricks and concepts on my channel. So please visit and do share your reviews in comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.